Seoul station, and right now we will see today city view. Beautiful city in Korea, Seoul city. And here is some food supply. Many people want to eat here. Is very nice food and free. I think some poor people comes down here and taking the food, and after that go. Then now I have to go somewhere, and you see some people taking the food, and also here so many people coming, going, walk everywhere. A lot of people down here taking the food. Very famous city, beautiful in the world, Seoul, South Korea. And there is also, this is the old model railway. I think this is the old model building, and that one the new. And this machine for coffee, if you buy coffee like that, is machine here. So beautiful country, and culture is very nice, and people also very good here. I hope everybody visit in South Korea. Right now I have to find some 7-Eleven store, grocery, because I have to buy something, then finish, then I have to go somewhere again. So this also underground. Anywhere underground is a train station. And that one the bus station, bus stop, sorry. If someone go another side, for example this all city rounding, so this bus also available here, and other bus also. If you want to go Gangnam, Bayong, another city, for example, easy to find air bus. So many bus. And this is the timing, but it's a Korean language only. And price, I think. Actually, I don't know. And still also walking is too long from here anywhere. And right now I have to see some grocery because so hungry. Long time is walk everywhere. Korea weather is very nice right now. I think I searches 80 degree centi. So this is near in the Seoul station, this area, and kindly is very beautiful here. The shoe shop, same like some shop is like small and some shop is very bigger here. And right now this is the track up train, so I have to wait until train passing from here, because is walking not allowed and also car not allowed to wait until train. Right now it's train coming from, I think, maybe this side or maybe this side. Yes, exactly right now is train coming. Yeah, this is the low cost train. Was I see the very speed train, but this is low cost. जी हाँ दोस्तों, ये कम खर्चे में ये ट्रेन जाता है बुसान। अगर आप लोगों को जाना है, ये कम खर्चे में जाता है। जो इससे पहले गया वो बहुत स्पीड में जाता है, उसका खर्चा थोड़ा ज़्यादा है। ये देखो, अभी आगे सिविल स्टेशन है। देयर इज़ अ सिविल स्टेशन। ओके, yes, right now I have to go. Oh, this is the shop. Okay, so I find it one shop from here, and right now I have to something buy because I am too hungry right now. So let me see what it is inside the shop. Oh, there is a ice cream and biscuit something, but I don't know actually what is the inside. Hello, can I buy biscuit here? Biscuit. Yeah, biscuit. Yes. Okay. So viewers, is right there is a nice food and from Korea. YouTuber. Which one the cheaper? This one, 1,500. Okay, so I will see about which one the good for me. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, almost is 1,000. This is for noodles. Actually, I don't know the noodles is what kind of noodles. Okay, I have to buy biscuit. This. What is it? 1,500. This one check 1,500 or what is this? Okay, can you? Okay. 3,000. Oh, this is 3,000. I see here is the 1,500. Where it go? Where this place? Okay. Oh, sorry. I don't understand. I think this one 1,500, but 3,000. So no more is it cheaper? This one. This is the 2,500. Oh my god. Okay. This one better for me. Yeah, because cheap, no? How much?
Do it half way.
2,200? Okay. 2,200, right? Okay, nice to meet you from Korea. And nice people and very nice. I like Korea, okay? And viewers, this is the Queen of Korea. This is the 500 and this is 100. So I will pay here already is 2,200 won Korea. So this is very nice biscuit. I want to eat this one and I'm so hungry. So after that I will walk again. See you later. Oh, actually it's very beautiful country, Korea. I love Korea. Weather is very nice also. Oh my god. Oh, very nice weather and beautiful. I hope everybody come to Korea. Korea, I love Korea, South Korea. एक बिस्किट लिया है, पटीजर हो गया, अब पूरे पैसे बिस्किट में चला गया. अब और कुछ लूँगा तो फिर समझो फिर खत्म, पैसे ही खत्म हो जाएंगे. यहाँ कचरा में फेंकूँ कोई तेली तो इस तरह की कचरे के डब्बे. Yes, viewers, is very nice, beautiful country is Korea, South Korea. Very clean and very beautiful. There's a one 7-Eleven, I find it already here. And otherwise, this is the main road and going to anywhere. And also very clear if you walk from here. It's very clear and very nice. And kindly restaurant same like that. This Korean restaurant. If you like food of Korea, so that is a restaurant like that. And viewers, I hope everybody can watch my video and subscribe. This is the Korea, Seoul city. So it's very far, I cannot walk long. So I have to go back to Seoul railway station. We will see something from that side. After that is this video finish. If someone like pizza, so in Korea like that is pizza. Pizza pub bottle. Okay, I go after again some places. Kindly, this city is very big and so beautiful. No more tension, very nice weather, and people also very nice. I think it's a very beautiful country, South Korea. This country is same like Japan, Taiwan, South Korea, and China. The same position, same culture, same position. Train from Busan. And viewers, you watch Busan movie. This is train of Busan. Train to Busan. I have to wait again one more train because this is all low cost train and very. I want to see the very speed train. This garden because it's shortly this small garden from near Seoul station, Seoul city. Yes, this is also cheaper train from here to Busan. If someone want to go to Busan, this is cheap. And have another train is very expensive, very fast. A very nice dog. Beautiful. Yes, from Korea. Yes. Yes, have a nice day. Thank you very much. Yes, train also coming from right now. All car staff here about waiting for train. This is the intersection of train. Oh, this is the very fast train. I think it's very nice, beautiful. Here is a very low speed because the intersection of the city. After that is go to outside of city is very fast. This train coming right now from Seoul station to going to I don't know where, but right now start from Seoul station. Very beautiful, Korea. Yes, viewers, I have to go back again this side. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. Oh, I have to see this garden also, which where is nice, beautiful garden here in Korea, Seoul. Sorry, and there is also nice flowers and beautiful. You can walk from here, and weather is very, very kindly. It's very nice weather. Yes, this is the yellow flower. Again one more train coming, but I already passed it from here. And okay, it's very nice and beautiful. Oh, this is I think for church. Yes, viewers, right now one train more again coming there, and this is also low speed and low cost, cheaper ticket, cheaper fare. Anywhere kindly is very clean. Anywhere you can sit down is no more any dirty, very clean. This country, beautiful. And there is something people can walk from here to this garden, but there is one dog. I think is danger or not, I don't know. Hello, can walk. Okay. Is the dog a problem or no? No problem. Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. Yes. Yes, there's this very beautiful garden in Seoul city, near Seoul station. Train station, sorry. Oh, it's very nice. Yes, this is for deep and bring from water from deep to run to with garden. Inside garden, sorry. And here is the writing, everything is the name of tree. I also want to walk from. Oh, there's have toilet. This toilet for female and that one is the for male. Very beautiful. Actually, this country is very beautiful and very clean. जी भाई, देख रहे हैं आप लोग खुद ही कितना खूबसूरत जगह है, खूबसूरत मुल्क है, साफ़ सुथरा, कोई कचरा नहीं है। इस तरह हमारा मुल्कों को भी ऐसा ही होना चाहिए था, मगर क्या करें, वही करें जो करें। यहाँ भी देखो डॉग के बारे में कुछ लिखा हुआ है। Yes, viewers, I have to until walk from this garden finished, so go to back to Seoul station. And this is for exercise. Anybody comes down here and do exercise, machine available. Can I see what is this? Oh, no problem. This is for the exercise, and like that. Yeah, it's a two hand. You can use the two hand like that. And this is for sitting and do like that. Yeah, if you have power, you can do like that. Yeah, this direction for the sitting like that. And this is for like, yeah. And this one also for this. Yes, viewers, right now I exit from. This garden because it's shortly this small garden from near Seoul station, Seoul city. Okay, so I hope everybody watch my channel and please subscribe. Happy nice day everybody. Okay, take care and bye bye.